63 million Indians don't have access of clean drinking water. We are now in 2024 and we are talking about that we are not having the clean water. They are the 21% of the communicable disease. Everybody heard about that. There are all the disease which are being spreaded the developing country. It's mostly associated with the vector-borne disease.
We have always learned from our school days that Calcutta was founded by Job Charnock. This is not true. Why am I saying this? You may ask me, sir, we are from other disciplines, so what shall we know? What shall we do with this knowledge? Because that Calcutta was not the authorship of only the British under the leadership of an East India Company official Job Charnock, that this is part of a myth. Such myths you are finding in your life every day. So you have to differentiate, distinguish between what is myth and what is reality.
Every day you make a new friend, and you will find after certain years, you will find if your arena is so big, wherever you go, and as an army officer I can say, I left army, I took a BRS. I left army 4.5 years back, directly joined here. As on date, on today's date also, whenever I feel कि I have to go to Uti, I just make a call. यार तू उधर ही है ना? No, मैं नहीं हूँ, मैं तो उधर से आ गया हूँ, मैं दूसरे को बता देता हूँ. So you get the support. In your case, most of the good opportunities come through your friends, right? This is referral. We call it referral. So make your friends. You never know who will support you.
If I am not in touch with my inner self, if I am not okay with myself, happy with myself, no matter what I do, it would not be a nice journey. So my session will basically help you to know what you already have within, so that whenever you face any kind of problems, you can trace back the answers.
It's a new start, more than that. You'll see as we go along. I'll take you through a little journey, because here you're at Heritage Academy, and look at the infrastructure, look at the kind of stuff that you've been dealing with and getting with all these days that you've been here.
I think today you are just starting your journey. You don't need to be terribly worried about what will happen after a few years right now, but it is good to have some basic thought. It doesn't have to be immutable. What you think today can easily and quite naturally evolve.
The Heritage Academy was set up on 1st August 2007, and we had an intake of 60 in BBA and 60 in BCA. So 120 students. Gradually, with the increase in intake from 60 to 120 in BBA and BCA, and introduction of prestigious media science department with the Heritage Academy, and subsequently again introduction of BSc in cybersecurity in the Heritage Academy, our student strength rose to more than 10 times, that is almost 1200.
We are more in the bit of it's the arts and social sciences. Although we are called BSc, we have the data analysis part of it, we have some amount of research in it. We try to balance both. Our faculty have a varied background, both from industry and both from academia.
You are probably the 18th batch and the second batch who are here to pursue BBA. With this small introduction about the department, I would like to call upon my colleagues, the team BBA.